Hello folks, thank you for your time. Today we just wanted to share some information regarding our reconditioned Tennant M20 sweeper scrubber. This is an industrial machine that will work well in many industrial environments, in warehouse spaces and production areas. It can really go a long ways to reducing the cost of cleaning that type of environment, and also greatly increase worker safety and occupant safety, reduce slip and falls and those types of things. So as I mentioned, it is a dual purpose sweeper and scrubber. It does have one button sweeping, one button scrubbing, very easy to operate. The cleaning path of this machine is about 54 to 56 inches. You can see there is a side brush on the machine that does swing out when it's in operation. And the sweeping hopper, the debris hopper, holds almost 400 pounds of debris for that sweeping operation. You can also see we have the dump assist for the sweeping hopper. That debris hopper can be lifted up 60 inches above the ground and dumped into a container or dumpster or whatever would be appropriate on your site. The scrubbing portion of this machine, once again 54 to 56 inch scrubbing path, a 56-gallon solution tank that's right behind the operator, and you can access that from either side of the machine. And then it's got a 73-gallon recovery tank. The reason for that is hopefully we're picking up more than we've put down in terms of water, snow, slush, and obviously soil and debris. There are many instances where this machine can be used for cleaning up spills, sometimes very large spills, and we've got that extra capacity to do that. So the machine is a propane powered engine. It's got just under 240 hours on it. To give you an idea of where that fits, typically we would expect an M20 to over the life cycle to last about 4,000 to 5,000 hours. So we're talking it's got less than 5% of its life used up. The machine is about 4 years old, and to purchase a machine like this new would be about a $70,000, as this one's equipped, would be about a $70,000 machine. And this one is available for right at $49,000. So we're gonna run this for you here in just a second, but so you can see it in operation. But if you have questions on this or are interested, please reach out to your BRUCO business advisor and they can help you with any information you may need, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you.